In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Robinhood Document ID. This identifier isn't tucked away in your normal account settings. Instead, it lives inside your official Robinhood documents, most commonly your tax forms. You'll often need it when you're importing information into tax software or verifying brokerage forms. Here's how to get to it quickly and confidently. Open the Robinhood app or sign in on the website, then go to Account and select Tax Documents. From there, open your consolidated 1099 PDF for the correct tax year. Once the first page loads, look to the top right corner of that page. You should see a field labeled Document ID. It's an 11-character code, usually placed close to your account number. That exact 11-character string is the one tax software asks for during brokerage import. Copy it carefully and use it for your import or verification. A common source of confusion is mixing up different numbers that appear on these forms. Your account number is typically 9 digits and is not what tax software wants. Tax ID fields relate to your Social Security information and also aren't the right value to enter for imports. The document ID is the 11-character code shown on the PDF and is the one you need for tax imports. When in doubt, use the label on the form as your guide and pick the value specifically called Document ID. If you're having trouble reading the header, download the PDF and zoom in so the text is crisp. You can also use your PDF Viewer's Find tool and search for the words Document ID to jump straight to the label. Be sure you're opening the correct year's Consolidated 1099, since the code is tied to that document for that tax year. If you don't see a 1099 yet, it may not be available until tax forms are released for the year, or you may not have had taxable activity. Official statements can also contain an identifier, but the Consolidated 1099 is the most reliable place to find the document ID used for imports. Keep this information private. It's tied to your account documents, so avoid sharing screenshots publicly. If your tax software flags the code as invalid, double-check for lookalike characters like 0 versus the letter O and 1 versus the letter I, and confirm you selected the matching tax year. That's all there is to it. Open Robinhood, head to Account, choose Tax Documents, open the Consolidated 1099 PDF, and read the document ID from the top right of page 1. Use that 11-character code for your tax import and you're set.